Okay, so we will be seeing what are the things that we can see in our nature. Okay? Okay, this is our beautiful nature, yes? Oh, can you see sun up in the sky? Can you see sun up in the sky? Yes, so we see sun in our nature. And we can also see some plants. We can see some plants. Look, here are some plants. Baby, look. Here is flower. Yes. Yes. And here are some grasses. Grasses. Want to the grass? Grass. Okay, then here we go to see the rose plant. See the rose plant? You like it? And here is one beautiful flower. Okay, we can see some insects in nature. Yes, can you see ants? Are you finding ants, Arya? Yes? Did you see ant over there? No? No. So here we can also see some big plants. Look there, it's a big tree, Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Okay, we're gonna see some more things in our nature, okay? So here we can see orange plant. Can you see? Yes, it's an orange tree. And come here, I will show you the nest. Yes, bird house. I'll show you the nest in that tree. Can you see the nest on that tree? Oh, look back, there is a nest. Bird house, nest. And can you hear some crow sound? Can you hear some bird sound? Okay, can you find where is crow? Where are crows? Yes. Babu, Abhi, where is crow? Find the crow. Where is crow? Yes, crow. You like the nature? Yes? Yes. We can see different things in our nature, yes? We can see plants, we can see stones, we can see some sand, we can see some soil. Soil, what is it? Look, it's the soil, it's the sand, Amo, Riasa, and here are some grasses, small plants. You like it? Okay, thank you so much.